Welcome! In this quick video, I'll show how you can find Apple Watch Series 10. So first, take the iPhone that your Apple Watches are or were connected to and launch the Find My app. Then enter the Devices section and look for the Apple Watch that you want to find. And once you will select it or tap on it, it will show its location on the map. If you lost it or forgot it somewhere not nearby, should I say, so at work perhaps, and you, for example, you came home and now you would like to check whether you lost your Apple Watch somewhere en route from work to home, or you just left it at the office or at whatever working space you do your job, so you can check where your Apple Watch is this way. Or if you're lost the Apple Watch somewhere nearby, or you simply forget where you put it inside the room or inside your apartment, you can ping your Apple Watch or make them play a sound so you can find them easier. And how you do that? Simply tap the play sound option here. And within a few seconds, your Apple Watch should play a sound. So once again, this sound will help you to locate the Apple Watch if they've been lost somewhere nearby. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.